Telegram bots have been red hot lately. Unibot, which is the leading Telegram bot, their token surged 9,500% within 60 days. And one of the major factors contributing to the growing interest in Telegram bots is really the ease of use that they offer, particularly for non-sophisticated DeFi users. Okay, but why does the title of this video and the thumbnail both say "stay away"? It's not clickbait. Telegram bots offer easy opportunities to make big money, potentially, but there are big risks also associated with them, which no one is really educating you about. In this video, we're going to break it down honestly and candidly. We'll look at the good, the bad, and the ugly associated with Telegram bots. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck, of course, if you choose to invest, but just remember, I'm not a financial or investment advisor, which means this video is not official financial or investment advice. Be sure to be checking out Randy's daily technical analysis videos. As I mentioned a couple of days ago, these are now coming out on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel, which has been dormant for a couple of years, but you guys should check that out. Tuesday through Friday, you're going to be able to find Randy's TA. He always covers Bitcoin and really whatever other altcoins are making news in terms of price action, whether to the upside or the downside. So check that out. I'm going to link to today's video as well as the Altcoin Buzz trading channel in the description below. Why do we need trading bots in the first place? Well, think of a platform, okay? Any platform. And as we've discussed here many times, one of the big advantages of centralized exchanges is that their trading interfaces are easier for most people to use. Call it what you want. Simpler, more intuitive, easier, better user interface, great user experience. Whatever you want to call it, the fact is that most centralized exchanges are much better at this than decentralized exchanges are. Binance, Bitfinex, and ByteFi are particularly good at this with a pretty nice, clean user interface for traders. But the one obvious exception among DEXs is GMX, because here you can long, short, or swap the two coins in your trading pair with ease, all on the same screen. And it shows in the fees, because GMX is the leading perp DEX, or DEX for traders. They're leaders in fees over the last 6 months, and it has more fees than really some of the bigger names out there like Aave, PancakeSwap, and even Curve and Polygon. But as I said, GMX is the exception. And so the number one reason ultimately that people use Telegram trading bots is because they have a great, fast, and sleek user interface that makes trading easier. But are they really all that great? Let's take a look at one in more detail. I mentioned Unibot earlier. It is by far the fastest growing Telegram bot. And if you look at what's playing here on screen, it's easy to see why. Really, with just the press of a button, you can buy with a limit order, sell with a limit order, buy or sell a private transaction, buy from your wallet of choice, and you have many options there, and track your P&L, your profits and losses, and token balances, all from one place. So again, like I said, easy to use. Now, the most recent big accomplishments and threads about Telegram bots on crypto Twitter are more about trading in the bot tokens themselves. And here, Unibot's Unibot token, that's UNIBOT, has cooled off a little bit. It had a huge run for 5 weeks from $30 to $236. But here, as you can see, in the last 30 days, it's down about 50% or so, and back down to $57 with a market cap of $57 million. So you are making a wild speculative call if you choose to trade in these. And that's if you believe in the power and advantages of Telegram bot trading in the first place. So what are the risks of some of these Telegram bots? Well, first of all, you must hold the coin. This is the first risk. You must hold the coin of the bot. And in Unibot's case, that means the Unibot token. Now, due to the explosive growth of these bots, the price could be okay, but even Unibot, remember, soared and crashed. In the last week, for example, it's down over 40%. So this is a risk, but it's not the biggest one. The most prevalent risk here that we have to consider is as follows. Telegram uses a custodial wallet. So when you use any of these Telegram bots, you are depositing funds into a private wallet specifically for trading use. And while you do so, you are granting Telegram access to those funds. So yeah, this is a custodial wallet that Telegram can use to take your funds if they think you're doing something wrong. Now, the bot has specific parameters that it has to maintain as an automated tool. meaning it can only buy, sell, whatever, not unlike a smart contract, but also like a smart contract that could be exploited. Or maybe a protocol hack happens, or maybe the team just decides that they want the funds in your wallet. This is some bad news, and if you intend to trade with a Telegram bot, then the only smart choice is to do so with small amounts of money and withdraw back into your own self-custodied wallet regularly as possible. Leave as little as you possibly can in the Telegram custodial wallet. And by the way, the bot has access to your private keys if you connect an existing wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Rabby. So my pro tip is if you're going to connect a wallet to a Telegram trading bot, use a brand new wallet only for Telegram trading, because this is going to limit your potential losses if one of the bad things that I mentioned a moment ago, if one of those bad things happens. So what's our final verdict here when it comes to Telegram bots? Well, look. Due to copy trading and sniping capabilities, there is some potential to make money trading with Telegram bots. That's something that we have to admit. And I know that the degens love it, and there is trade potential in the bot tokens themselves too. But watch how much money you leave with Telegram's access to it. Look, for me, it's really as simple as I just don't feel confident that by using Telegram, my keys won't get exposed to my own private wallets. So I am personally avoiding Telegram bots for now, at least until the security aspect changes or maybe something else happens to get more comfortable. Because right now there are a lot of risks here built into the mechanics of these systems. As always, guys, do your own research and trade at your own risk and comfort level. But if you're asking my opinion, this whole Telegram trading bot world right now that has blown up, that's cooled off, that may continue to be very speculative, it's just a domain in crypto that I'm choosing to avoid. That is my take. Let me know if you agree with it in the comments below. We just made a great flip call in Altcoin Buzz Alpha, and just a couple of days ago, earlier this week, we made profits equivalent to 20 times the subscription fee of this service. Do not miss out. The bull run is coming. Join our Patreon or YouTube membership now. Check the description of this video for more details.